Customers from Israel, warmly welcome to EagerLED. In the conference room, customers and sales staff discussed cooperation plans together. We highlighted the LED screens produced by our company, and invited customers to the sample room to watch our products. In the sample room, we have displayed various kinds of LED screens to meet the needs of different customers. Customers are particularly interested in the EA500C5 LED screen, which is a high-performance, affordable screen suitable for commercial advertising, digital display and other scenarios. Then, we led the customers to visit the aging workshop. Here, we show how the screen performs under long-term operation. Our burn-in workshop is carefully designed to simulate the environment of long-term use, to ensure that our products can run in a stable state. Through this visit, it demonstrated EagerLED's professional strength and quality assurance in the field of LED screens. We look forward to further cooperation with Israeli customers and provide them with first-class products and services.